Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to show you guys how I clean all of the soap scum and that hard water buildup off of my shower head. You've probably seen those videos on TikTok or on Facebook where they wrap a plastic bag full of vinegar or a Ziploc bag full of vinegar around your shower head. I'm telling you right now, it's a lot easier and you use way less product if you just remove the shower head and put it in something like a lasagna pan or some sort of baking dish. It can even be one of those tin ones that you just throw away after. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be taking mine off the shower head, or taking my shower head off of my shower, putting it right here in this lasagna pan and pouring in just a little bit of cleaning vinegar, some baking soda, and just a splash of this lemon juice. It's going to create a chemical reaction and bubble up and do all of the things, and I'm going to go ahead and let that sit for a couple hours and just do what it does and let all of these products do the hard work for me. When taking all the soap scum off, I'm going to let it sit for a handful of hours. I'll go ahead and rinse it with some water, maybe a little bit of Dawn dish soap. Go ahead and scrub off the surface to get any of the residue off of these products off the shower head, and it's going to be that easy. Soaking for a handful of hours in that lemon juice, vinegar, a little bit of baking soda. You can see now just by looking at these, the hard water stains and all that buildup is pretty much gone. So what I'm going to do, I have these gloves that are kind of scrubby here. I got these at Walmart. If I remember, I'll try to link them in the description box. If not, you could take a toothbrush, like a regular sponge, but I'm just going to kind of give this a really decent scrub, and I'm just going to rinse these with a little bit of warm water, just so I'm not clogging up the little shower head things or anything like that. You could also take a toothpick at this point and kind of put it through all these little holes in here. If your shower head is really clogged, but this is what I'm going to do, it should be enough. Same thing on this one. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of scrub these off. If you wanted to, a little bit of Dawn dish soap. We'll just give it a little squeeze here on the glove. So now you guys can see it might not be 100% perfect, but it's definitely a lot better. It's really easy, and that's kind of what I go for, is just easy, simple fixes. So I hope that this helped you guys clean off your shower head, all those hard water stains and all of that gunked up buildup in your shower head. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course I will see you guys in another video.